Alright, now welcome to this video, and in this lesson we have been asked to also solve these problems because we are still on implicit differentiation. So the first question says x cubed y squared plus y to the e to the x equals ln x, and the second one says sin xy plus y cubed equals x. So let's go. The first question, x cubed y squared plus y e to the x is equal to ln x. So we know that this is product of two functions and we have to use product rule here. Let's go. The product rule says that we should differentiate the first function and keep the second one, and keep the first function, define the second one. So let's go. Here we have 3x squared, we keep y squared, plus, now we keep the first one, x cubed. This will give us 2y, but dy ds. Please don't forget this concept. Plus, this is also product rule, y and e to the x. Let's go. The first one we go to 1, and 1 dy dx, plus, sorry, we keep the second, plus keep the first now, and define the second, still remain e to the x, equals ln x, we go to 1 all over x. So we get that. So let's clean up here. We have 3x squared y squared, plus this times this will give us 2x cubed y, the y dx, and the plus this will give us the y dx e to the x, and nothing changes here. So now what we do next is we put all the y dx together, and what doesn't have the y dx also at one place. Here we have the y dx here we also have the y dx here, so let's put them together. So we have 2x cubed y dy dx plus e to the x dy dx, and every other thing should go to the right hand side. So we have 1 all over x minus whatever is left. Here we have y e to the x minus, here too we have 3x squared y squared. So we factor out the y dx here, we get dy dx into 2x cubed y plus e to the x is equal to 1 all over x minus y e to the x minus 3x squared y squared. So the next thing we do here is divide both sides by this, so we get our dy dx. So dy dx is equal to 1 all over x minus y e to the x minus 3x squared y squared, all dividing 2x cubed y plus e to the x. So that is the answer to the first question. And first question. So the second one now says sin xy plus y cubed is equal to x. Let's quickly solve that as well and see what we get. So number 2 question says that sin xy plus y cubed is equal to x. So this, we know what this will give us. Sine will give us cosine, but the angle here is xy. So here the chain rule here will be product. So let's go. Here we become cosine of xy. Now what is inside, we have to use the product rule now. So we differentiate the first one, x, we keep the second, plus we keep the first and differentiate the second, dy dx, plus 3y squared dy dx is equal to 1. Now this is what we have here, and the next thing we do here is open the bracket. So we have y cos xy plus x cos xy dy dx, and the plus 3y squared dy dx all equaling 1. And what do we do next? What we do next is we put all the y dx together and whatever is left to the other side. So here we have dy dx, here we have dy dx. Let's put them together and factor them out. So we have dy all over dx into what is left here is x cos xy y plus 3y squared is equal to 1 minus whatever is left here, y cosine xy. So now what we have to do next is divide both sides by this to get our dy dx, and now dy dx will be equal to 1 minus y cos xy all over x cos xy plus 3y squared. And that is the answer to the second problem. That is the second problem. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.